2023 Audi A4 Allroad, engine, transmission, and performance. There is only one engine available across the range, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-pot that is supplemented by a 12-volt mild hybrid system. Outputs are 261 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. This is managed by a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and sent to the quattro all-wheel drivetrain. The gearbox is one of the highlights of this car. It is highly refined and shifts smoothly between gears without missing a beat. Driving around town is effortless with the quick acceleration, and once you reach cruising speeds on the highway, it never feels underpowered when it comes time to pass slower cars. Price: $47,000. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Despite its size, the Audi A4 Allroad is not as accommodating as you might expect, but that doesn't mean it's uncomfortable. There is 37.4 inches of headroom across both rows of seating, so particularly tall passengers may feel the pinch. Legroom is very generous in the front, with 41.3 inches on offer, while those in the rear only get 35.7 inches. It should be adequate for most people, but if you need a more spacious wagon, you'll have to look at the A6 Allroad. On the plus side, the seats are all extremely comfortable, and front row passengers enjoy power-adjustable seats with heating. Infotainment and connectivity. Audi was one of the first automakers to bring data plans and Wi-Fi into cars, and it hasn't stopped innovating. Audi's MMI infotainment system's crown jewel is the optional virtual cockpit, a high-resolution configurable display located where the gauge cluster would normally be. It can be arranged to show either a digital version of a traditional cluster layout or a more infotainment-focused display, which can feature real-time Google Maps overlays of the surrounding environs. A 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen. About its safety, it's include 1. Standard automated emergency braking with forward collision warning. 2. Available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. 3. Available adaptive cruise control. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell.